You want to start YouTube, but don't know what niche to pick. The finance niche is blowing up right now. Long-form, ultra-focused videos are winning, explaining smart saving habits, investing made simple, and the psychology behind money. Clear wealth-building frameworks anyone can follow, even if you're a total beginner. No finance background, no animation skills, just a clear system to attract hish-value viewers and grow faster. You've probably seen channels like Nick Invest or Bob Invest pop up again and again. These channels are dominating the finance niche, which is one of the most profitable spaces on YouTube. They cover things like building wealth, multiple income streams, and money management, but plenty of creators talk about that. So why are these channels blowing up? It's simple. Animated characters and engaging visuals make finance feel approachable instead of intimidating. And that's exactly what most traditional creators are missing. One creator has already cracked this. Over 10 million views and $40,000 a year from a single channel. And if you've ever looked at Social Blade, you know most niches struggle to cross a $4 CPM. But finance plays by different rules. Educational content, especially in the finance niche, can push CPMs to $12 or higher. That's 3 times what most creators earn per 1,000 views. So in this video, I'm breaking everything down. No hype, no paid tools. I'll show you how to create high-impact videos like this for free, step by step. Step 1. Open ChatGPT.com. This is where everything starts. We'll use it to instantly generate your channel host, finance topic, voiceover script, and image prompts, all done for you. On the left side of the screen, open the sidebar, scroll down, and click GPTs. In the search bar, type Gen X Engine and select it. Click on Start Chat. You'll see 2 options here. Already have a character is for creators who already have a channel host. It skips character creation and takes you straight to finance category selection. As you're starting fresh and don't have a channel host yet, select Create Character and let it generate your main character prompt. And in seconds, boom, you've got a polished, ready-to-use channel host image prompt for a professional adult sitcom-style cartoon finance host. Once it's generated, simply type Create Channel Host to lock it in, or Regenerate Character to generate a new image prompt if you're not happy with the one which was generated. Let me show you a quick preview of the 2D adult sitcom-style character images generated from these prompts. The results look clean and professional. Now head back to ChatGPT and lock your image prompt. I'm going with this image prompt, so I type Create Channel Host. This locks in my character and moves me to the next step. Next, choosing a category helps define the direction of the channel. It tells the system what kind of finance content I want to create, whether that's money psychology, investing basics, or long-term wealth. I'm selecting Category 3, Middle Class and Lifestyle Traps. Just type 3 and hit the arrow to generate. Based on that choice, I'm shown topic ideas that fit the channel's style, making it easier to stay focused and consistent. I'm going with the topic, How Lifestyle Inflation Sneaks Up Without You Noticing. Simply enter 3 again and hit the arrow to generate. And it instantly generates a complete script with scene-based image prompts. Now moving to the next step, generating your background voiceover. We'll use CapCut.com, which is free. Click Create New, then select Text-to-Speech to open a new window. On the right side, you'll see a range of voice options. Choose one that best fits your channel host's style and tone. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the script you generated. Go back to CapCut, paste the script into the text field, click Generate. Preview the voiceover, and once you're satisfied, click Download. Next up, it's time to generate the images. And for that, we'll use Whisk by Google Labs. I'm currently on the Google AI Plus plan, which includes 200 AI credits per month. But here's the good news. Image generation doesn't use any credits at all. Start by logging in with your Gmail account. Once inside, click on Browse Gallery, then select Enter Tool. You may see some previously generated images, but I'll walk you through the process from scratch. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find a white prompt box. This is where you'll paste the image prompts generated in ChatGPT. Think of this as your creative playground. Now, head back to ChatGPT, copy your first character image prompt, and paste it into this box. Set the resolution to 16 by 9, then click the arrow to generate. Wait a few seconds, and there you go. Boom. Your first character image is officially created. Download your character image first, then open the sidebar, select subject, and upload the character image again. This ensures your character stays consistent across all scene images you generate. Now let's start turning your scenes into visuals as we have locked our character. Head back to ChatGPT and copy your first scene prompt. Paste it here, then make sure the uploaded subject is selected. Once everything looks good, click the arrow to generate the image. And just like that, your first scene image is generated, and it looks amazing with zero extra effort. Go ahead and download the image. When you're ready, repeat the same steps with the second scene image prompt. Head back to ChatGPT, copy your second scene prompt, paste it here, confirm the subject is selected, and click the arrow to generate the image. Now repeat this same process for the rest of the scene prompts. Just like that, you'll have a complete set of images ready to use. Once the voiceover and images are ready, you can move on to the next step. Adding motion. This is an optional bonus step, and we'll be using Grok AI, which is free. If you'd rather keep things simple, you can skip animation and use still images with basic pans and zooms instead. I'll walk you through both options so you can choose what works best for you. Adding motion to your scenes, head to grok.com and log in with your Gmail account. Before generating anything, click on Auto and switch it to Customize. Then go to Behavior and turn off Enable Automatic Video Generation. This step is important. It gives you full control over each shot, which makes a big difference in the final output. Next, click Imagine from the left side menu. This will open a new page. At the bottom, click the attachment pin and upload your first image. You can add a short instruction describing the motion you want the character to perform. Alternatively, you can head to ChatGPT, copy the first line of the script, and paste it here to add an action. Or you can leave it blank and simply click the arrow to let the AI generate the action automatically. Give it a few seconds to process. That's it. Your first animated scene is ready with a voiceover. However, we won't be using this voiceover since a separate background voiceover has already been generated, so we'll simply mute the scene's voiceover during the editing phase. Click the download icon to save the video. Once it's downloaded, return to the Imagine page, click the attachment pin again, upload your next image, then head back to ChatGPT, copy your script line to match the image, paste it here in the prompt box, and click the arrow to generate. Repeat this same process for the rest of your visuals until all scenes are animated. And just like that, you've successfully created all your visuals, each scene aligned with the script, actions matched to the imagery, and ready to be polished in the final edit. Final step. Putting everything together in CapCut. This is where all your clips come together and the video starts to look professional. If you don't already have CapCut, download it using the link in the description. Open CapCut and click Create Project. I'm going to walk you through two editing options. Option 1, editing with video clips. Option 2, editing with still images using simple pans and zooms. First, I'll show you how to edit using clips. Tap the plus icon to upload your visuals and background voiceover. Once they are imported, then click the plus icon again to add both the visuals and the voiceover to the timeline. Scroll toward the right side of the timeline and click the plus again to extend it. This gives you more space to work and makes it easier to drag, arrange, and place each clip in the correct order based on your script. Rearrange the visuals according to your script order. Simply click on a clip and drag it back and forth. As mentioned earlier, clips from Grok include a voiceover. Since we're using our own background voiceover, select the clip, go to Audio, and click the arrow in the top right window to mute it. Do this for all the remaining clips. If a clip feels too long, click on it and drag the end of the clip to the left to shorten its length. Now that I've shown you how to edit using clips, I'll show you option 2. Editing using only still images with pans and zooms. I'll simply drag the still images onto the timeline. Once the stills are added, make sure the still image is selected. Then go to the top right window and click the arrow to scale the image so it fits the frame. Do this for all the still images. Once that's done, click on the Animation tab. Make sure a still image is selected, then click In and choose an action. I'm selecting Zoom In. Follow the same process for the remaining still images, then choose any action you'd like to apply. Now preview the video to see how it looks. The first part uses still images, and the second part uses clips, so you can get a feel for how everything flows. This is just a short example. I'll eventually be using only clips in the final edit. Once you're happy with how it looks, simply click the Export button. Make sure the resolution is set to 4K, then click Export. Let's preview it.
You didn't suddenly become bad with money. Nothing dramatic happened. No single reckless purchase. No financial disaster. Yet somehow, the pressure keeps rising. Your paycheck is higher than it used to be. Your life looks better on paper, but saving feels harder. Breathing room feels smaller, and the finish line keeps moving. That's lifestyle inflation. And the reason it's so dangerous is simple. You almost never feel it happening. Most people imagine financial mistakes as loud and obvious. Impulse buys, luxury splurges, irresponsible decisions. Lifestyle inflation is none of that. It's quiet, it's gradual, and it feels completely reasonable at every step. At first, it looks like progress. You get a raise, or a new job, or your income slowly climbs over time. Nothing wild. Just a little more money, so you upgrade something small. A slightly nicer apartment. A newer car. More convenience. Not because you're greedy, but because it makes sense you worked hard. Your life should reflect that. This is where the trap begins.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a powerful new video like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.